Good morning students. In previous video, we discussed about measurement and today we will learn about correct measurement of length. So let us start. Students, length refers to the distance between any 2 points or places. The SI unit of length is meter. Quite often, we have to measure larger or smaller distances. In such cases, we use bigger or smaller units of distance. For larger lengths, such as the length of the road or distance between two cities, the unit kilometer is used. For smaller lengths, the unit decimeter or centimeter is used. Students, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. Students, now let us see some commonly used length measuring devices. Ruler or meter scale is used for measuring straight objects, and measuring tape is used for measuring curved as well as straight objects. Correct measurement of length. Students, actual measurement of any object is very essential. You can imagine what would happen if your tailor does not make correct measurements. Students, now let us see about the instructions that we should follow to measure the length of an object accurately. Students, the scale should be placed along the length to be measured. It should be placed very close to the object to be measured. In this picture, students, you can see how we should place the scale correctly. And we should not start measurement from the broken or damaged end of the scale. If the zero end of the scale is broken, we should start measurement from other mark of the scale. Then the actual length of the object is equal to the difference between the readings at the 2 points. Students, we should keep the eye in line with the point of measurement. In this picture, position A is the correct position of the eye for correct measurement, for measuring the length of the object with the help of the scale. Now let us revise what we have learned today by solving some questions. Question number 1. The SI unit of length is option A, kilometer, option B, centimeter, option C, meter, option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, meter. Question number 2. In the given figure, the proper way of reading scale is option A, C, option B, B, option C, A, option D. Any way can be chosen. And the correct answer is option C, position A. Practice makes perfect. Students, these are some homework questions that you need to solve at your home. I hope that you will solve these questions correctly. Thank you.